I'm extremely happy and I congratulate His Excellency, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, because since 1963, when Immigration Service was established, which was about 62 years ago, this is the first time we're having this type of facility. Just as it's been done all over the world, Nigeria can now boast of a world-class centralized personalization center.
The building is laid out according to the process flow. This is the server room. It houses all the servers that manage the production area. This is the main production floor. We have 2 IAI machines, bookmasters, with a capacity of 500 booklets per hour each. So it has a combined capacity of 1,000 booklets per hour. This is the store. It will hold the booklets and anything else NIS officers. I think they've indicated that they would also store visa, safe care. But every given time, we know where a blank booklet is, whether it's sitting in the store or whether it's in production, on the production floor, or whether it's been personalized. So we can always track the booklet from once it's delivered.
So what this means basically is that looking at what we do at the moment, which is about 5,000 booklets a day. That's the number of enrollments basically that we have per day. So it means that if this system works for 5 hours in a day, we have the capacity now of taking care of the whole day, right?
Yes.
So it means that even working at 10 hours, so what you have here, you've captured expansion. Like in case there's demand, yes, excess capacity. So what it means is that if a Nigerian applies for passport and is approved, within 24 hours, that passport can be produced.
Yeah.
That's okay. Interesting.
We'll just go over to this machine to do a quick demo.
As it's going, it's showing the process here. It's encoding now. After it's finished encoding, it will move it, then go to the next unit. Each of the process is just in 7 seconds.
Wow.
So it's done printing these ones, and we can. So these are the one we printed.
Wow. That's it.
Yeah.
And which one did it?
It's the barcode showing the booklet number.
Is that the machine?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's put the barcode showing the booklet number. So when the dispatch person is taking it, it's scanned the barcode.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Nice one.
This one. Thank you, sir.
Oh my God.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. That's wonderful. Yeah. This, for me, is a big win for this government. It's a big win for Mr. President. Changing the narrative, ensuring efficiency, and enhancing the capacity of our gallant officers to be able to deliver. Having said this, it will be an aberration if I don't thank Mr. President for the support on this particular project. And of course, to our technical partners, because the project we see here, let me say this clearly, it's not a kobo from the coffers of government. This project is strategic partnership between us and Iris Smart Technologies Limited. I want to thank them for putting resources into this and collaborating with government to ensure that we have value. And in our passport journey, we get to Eldorado.